Welcome to the introduction of the Stephen Johnson 3rd Annual KrawFish Boil. The third, which is literally
the most anticipated event
than any other event you could ever imagine
of the school year.
Hey.
It's good, ain't it? In order to help you fully understand the magnitude of this event, I made a short video to let you know that it's okay for you to
shuck me, suck me, eat me raw.
Suck a head.
Suck the head off that damn crawfish.
Suck the head off that damn crawfish. Now, all year have been asked,
Steven, when are you going to have your crawfish boil?
Not to mention that I was asked, when is there going to be a boil on the 27th of last year, when the boil was on the 26th of last year. Yes, it's one day.
Highly.
The Stephen Johnson 3rd Annual KrawFish Boil is the most highly anticipated event of this school year. Again.
Highly anticipated event.
Highly
anticipated.
Another
reason I made this video is so stupid fuck niggas don't be asking me questions like,
when is the crawfish boil?
April 25th is the date of the crawfish boil.
Steven, where exactly is the crawfish boil? You know?
The crawfish boil will be held at University Fountain's pool area and also apartment 1413, which would be my apartment.
What time does the crawfish boil start?
The crawfish boil will be held at 3 o'clock. What's that you ask? How much does it cost to get into the crawfish boil? Bitches, tell me how much it costs to get into the crawfish boil.
$1!
Yes, $1.
$1!
$1. Bring your broke ass $1 fucking dollar.
That's it? That's fucking cheap. That's it.
What's a crawfish?
The crayfish is any of numerous freshwater crustaceans, resembling the lobster, but much smaller.
You know what? What if I don't eat crawfish?
If you don't, then we'll have fish, corn, potatoes, maybe some shrimp possibly for you to feast upon.
What if I don't need any of that?
You're fucked!
Is your sexy daddy gonna be there? I'm just saying, you know, shit.
So what would happen if I don't go to the crawfish boil?
This would be your plate. This would seriously, honestly be your plate. What I kind of want to know is, why is the Stephen Johnson 3rd Annual KrawFish Boil the most anticipated event of the year? Again.
Bitch, cause it is, nigga!
This the most anticipated event of the school year. Shit, you ain't know.
Shit, niggas been asking about it since last year. Matter of fact. Still got crawfish in my teeth from last year, shit.
Who am gonna be at the crawfish boil?
Let's put it like this. You mix 10 girls and a dildo. Everybody coming.
Hands up the car, I see some bitches looking fine. I hit the corner one more time to see the booty bumper. Hands up the car, I see some bitches looking fine. I hit the corner one more time to see the booty bumper. Hands up the car, I see some bitches looking fine. I hit the corner one more time to see the booty bumper. Hey, booty bumper, booty bumper, booty bumper, booty bumper. Hands up the car, I see some bitches looking fine. I hit the corner one more time to see the booty bumper. I got it.
Signing off, Stephen Michael Johnson. Once again, be there or just fucking miss out.